In this video, we are going to demonstrate the process of logging out of Instagram on other devices. Without further ado, let's delve into the steps. The method I'm about to show you can be applied to various mobile devices. Step 1. Launch the Instagram app and access your profile by tapping your profile picture located at the bottom right corner of the screen. Step 2. In the upper right corner, tap on the icon with 3 horizontal bars. This action will open a menu with various options. Step 3. Among the menu choices, find and select Settings. Step 4. Inside the Settings page, locate and tap on Security. Step 5. Within the Security section, you'll find Login Activity. Step 6. For privacy reasons, you might need to obscure certain information. If you notice a session from a location you don't recognize or aren't sure about, tap on a screen will pop up, providing session information, including location details. To log out, simply tap on Log Out. Upon completing these steps, you'll receive a confirmation that the session has been successfully logged out. This action will revoke the device's access to your Instagram account. In case you need to repeat this process for multiple devices, you may need to scroll down to view the complete list. Alternatively, another effective method is to reset your password. By resetting your password, you'll automatically log out of all devices. Here's how you can execute this. Return to the Security page within the Instagram app. Tap on the Password option. Follow the provided instructions to input your new password. By resetting your password, you'll guarantee that all devices are logged out and require your new password for subsequent logins. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more helpful tips.